Westermans here again with another 1000 kilo welding positioner. Table on this again, approximately 900 diameter. Tilts from horizontal to vertical. This machine itself is also 110 volts. Obviously these have been converted to 110, but can obviously be converted back to 220 if required. Manual tilt system with foot control. Notice the actual variable speed is actually missing off there, so it should be needing a new variable speed control knob. Machines are actually being sold as seen or can be serviced to order with warranty, or refurbished with new controls, foot control, pendants, etc. This machine has actually got a chuck on it. Machine can be sold with the chuck or without the chuck. I'd say the chuck's probably approximately about a 400mm chuck. 110 volts on the power side. Rotation one way and rotation back the other way. I'll try to put the screwdriver into the variable speed if I can. No, so the control knob would need to be changed just to give you variable speed. More details available on westermans.com on this and other welding positioners and rotators available from stock. Thank you for looking.